Meghalaya Transport Minister Dr. Bhalamare today admitted that the agreement signed with Flybig Airline for Shillong-Delhi flight was done in a hurried manner and department has learned a lesson after the company failed to continue its services.
I will not be able to give you the exact date or time on its resume of flying, sir, but because of the disruption, we did send them a show cause notice in the month of December. And they have requested us to give them time till the end of this month to resume their services, sir. So if they are able to resume their services, we'll go ahead with the agreement that was signed in 2020. But if they are not able to continue their services, sir, then we'll re-examine it and then look for a better solution to get this Delhi Shillong flight.
We can draw a conclusion that Flybig as an operator has no aircraft of its own. So, may I know from the Honourable Minister, is it prudent to sign an agreement with an operator who has no aircrafts? Or shouldn't we look at options where we sign an agreement with an operator who has at least one or two aircrafts of his own?
Yes, sir. I totally agree with the statement of the Honourable Member, sir. But this agreement, when it was signed, sir, it was signed in a very hurry basis, sir. And Flybig, which is also there in the agreement, sir, has promised us to, to avail a flight, to avail an aircraft, which is the Bombardier -Q400, sir. So based on this, sir, this is the first time that we're doing it. Also, a lesson to be learned, I suppose. So let us see, sir, till the end of this month, if at all it's able to provide us the service that we need, we want, then we'll go ahead with it, sir. If not, then we will, like I said, we will take another step and maybe move further with it, sir.
Sir.